told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you not.
Pardon me guys, I lost the intro to this video. Hello guys and welcome back again to my channel. My name is Ada and you're welcome to Ada series. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by, and if you are an old subscriber, thank you for always sticking around. So guys, in today's video I decided to make this local delicacy called Igbaoka, which is also known as corn pudding in English. So if this is the kind of video you love to watch, or you are interested in learning how to make this particular local delicacy, stay tuned and enjoy yourself.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.
So guys, here are the ingredients I'll be making this Igbaoka with. First of all, this is the corn, this is the AKIDI, and this is UGBA. You guys know UGBA now. This is UGBA, this is crayfish, this is white fish. I don't know what this fish is called in English. Please, you guys should pardon me, I don't really know, but here in Delta State they call it white fish. I don't know, maybe because it's white, but I don't think that is the name for it in English. This is onions. Please, if you know it, just drop it in the comment section so that we'll also learn. Salt, I won't be adding all the salt, but I'll just take the quantity I'll be needing. Pepper, seasoning cube, I'll be using no. And this is for vegetable, this is garden egg leaf. Yes, garden egg leaf. Then, and this is scent leaf. I'll be using scent leaf for this recipe. Lastly, this is oil. Yes, I have oil in this gallon. So you wash it 2 times so that it will be very neat. Can you guys see? The water is neat enough. So I'll now be transferring it into this bucket. Yes. And wash the AKIDI and put it on fire. Then I've already selected it, there's no stone, everything is neat.
But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
I'm back from blending the okra. My madam is disturbing me. She said I should back her. Can you guys see? So this is the corn. Can you guys see it? That's it. Can you guys see? I can actually break it with my hand. I'll still add it inside the moi moi. So you don't have to cook. You don't have to cook your AKIDI like 100% soft. So this is like 90%. So this is like 90% soft, and I think it's okay like this.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until
the hot water is on the fire. I'll now go ahead and mix the corn with the remaining ingredients here.
Your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a
Who else cuts their vegetables like this? I don't know how to use chopping board. Is it chopping board or cutting board? I don't know how to make use of it. I have it, but I don't use it.
I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
I'll be adding a lot of oil because I want it to come out very bright. Mix, like we mix everything together.
As you fade.
Add your warm water into it. If you add, you check because you don't want it to be so watery. I think I'm okay with this consistency. I won't be adding another water.
And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to
I nearly
gray.
forgot to cut my onions inside. Oh, now wow. So
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain.
So we are almost rounding up, guys. Yes, we are almost rounding up. You cook it for 30 to 40 minutes. So guys, this is like 40 minutes time, so let's check if it's done.
To stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
It's ready.
You fade away.
Hey guys, see that? So let's test the mama. Hey guys, see. Can you see the details? The AKIDI. Wow. You guys, the reason why it's soft like this is because it's still hot. When it cools down, it will rise and become strong. It will rise and become strong. So come and eat. Like, this is the perfect taste for me. This is the perfect taste for me, seriously. So I'll be opening the gas now. So that brings us to the end of this video. Please, if you absolutely enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Yes, I need your thumbs up, because if you like this video, YouTube will be able to circulate and share this video to people's timeline. And most importantly, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.